In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put TikTok Shop on vacation mode. If you're stepping away for a few days or taking a longer break, vacation mode is the safest way to pause new orders without disrupting your entire shop. It keeps your store protected while you're unavailable, and it helps set clear expectations for customers. Before we begin, make sure you have a TikTok Shop seller account and that you're signed in. Vacation mode is only available to registered sellers, so if your registration isn't complete or approved yet, the option won't appear. Start by opening your TikTok Shop account. From there, go to Store. This is your entry point into the seller side of your shop, where you can manage products, orders, and settings. Once you're in Store, tap My Account. This section collects your personal and business information, and it's also where you'll access deeper configuration options. Next, open Account Settings. Think of account settings as the control center for how your shop behaves. If your seller account is fully registered, you'll see an option for vacation mode in this menu. If you don't see it, double-check that your seller registration is complete and that your app is up to date. Sometimes the option may be temporarily hidden if your account status isn't verified or if regional features differ. When you see vacation mode, tap it. Inside, you'll find a simple switch to turn it on. Toggle the button to enable vacation mode. This is the key action. Once it's on, your shop will pause new orders and display that you're temporarily unavailable. This helps prevent customers from placing orders you can't fulfill right away. Keep in mind, any existing orders you already accepted still need to be handled according to policy, so plan accordingly before you switch it on. A few quick tips as you enable it. Confirm that your pending shipments are either fulfilled or clearly scheduled, since vacation mode doesn't cancel orders that are already in progress. It's also a good idea to be aware of your message response times. Even while you're away, timely communication supports your shop's standing. And remember, vacation mode is meant to be temporary. Use it when you truly need a pause, then return to normal operations when you're available. That's all there is to it. Open your TikTok Shop account, go to Store, tap My Account, open Account Settings, select Vacation Mode, and toggle it on. With these steps, your shop will be safely paused while you take your break.